Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the fact that I've gotten my third dividend payment from this particular company, and I am loving it. As a matter of fact, they pay dividends every single month. So I'm going to log into Robinhood and show you guys my third dividend payment, and I'm actually going to reinvest it right back into the company. But hey, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I document my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I have been dabbling with the stock market for quite some time. I started my journey back in 2016, where I was not so successful just because I didn't know how to sit still. And as a matter of fact, because of that very same reason, I lost a substantial amount of money in 2020. So I finally got a little bit smarter now. I'm still learning, of course, and that's the whole purpose, right? I'm documenting my journey. I'm sharing with you guys, and I'm sharing what I've learned and what I am learning. And as a result of that, I decided to start to invest in more dividend paying stocks and more solid companies. Instead of trying to get one big home run, I'm going for some singles, some doubles. It's kind of weird that I just gave a baseball analogy, but I did. It's weird because I don't even watch baseball like that. But I do live in Houston, and the Astros won, I think, the World Series back in 2017. So I don't know. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into Robinhood right now. And so today's not a bad day in the market for me. As you guys can see here, currently the market is closed. I guess it's after hours, really. So as you can see there's my earning for today. Supposedly I'm up $1,400, and then you see after hours. Of course, you're going to see the price fluctuate throughout the video because there's still trading taking place. All right, so I have a buying power right now of $21.08. Now, this is really exciting for me because this is actually my third dividend payment with this particular company. And one of the things that I like about this company a lot is the fact that they pay dividends every single month. When you're getting paid dividends every month, it's really exciting because you get the payment, of course, 21 bucks. It's like, dude, it's not that much money. No, it's not that much money, but this is more money that you would, this is more money than the money that you would earn if you had money sitting in a high yield savings account, because of course interest rates are really, really bad right now, or just a regular savings account. So I'm really excited. I'm going to show you guys that this is a dividend payment. So I'm going to click at the bottom of the screen towards the right on the little message where there's three dots, the box where there's three dots. I'll click on that, and then right there you see AGNC investment 17 hours ago. I'll click on that just to kind of show you guys. It says it right there. Woohoo! Because you owned 175.66 shares of AGNC on the 12th, on the 30th of December 2020, you've received a dividend payment of $21.08. Okay, now I'm going to go back and I'm going to scroll down and find that stock. Here we are, AGNC. I'll click on it. And as you guys can see, my position is 175.66 and so on shares. My average cost currently is $14.75. And I'm going to scroll down just to show you guys this is my third dividend payment with this particular company, and I'm super excited about it. So as you guys can see, I got my very first payment here in November, on November 10th, 2020 for $9. And then there's another dividend payment right above that for December 10th, 2020 for another $9, okay? And I'll just touch it just to show you guys. I had 75 shares, right? So you see I got paid 12 cents for each share, which brought my total amount to $9. And this was paid on November 10th. If I go back, the one that's on December 10th, once again, I have 75 shares and I got paid 12 cents, and that brought my total up to $9. So of course, getting paid two dividend payments, back to back is like, oh man, this is exciting. So I went ahead and of course I bought more shares. So as you guys can see, I have a dividend payment here for January 12th, 2021, and I'll touch on that. So it says number of shares 175.6611, and the amount per share that was paid to me was 12 cents, which brings my total up to $21.08. Now on the screen it says you can enable dividend reinvestment. And I'm too much of a nerd. I have so much issues when it comes to being OCD that I did not enable that. But that is something that you guys can do. You can enable your dividend reinvestment. And so what they will do is they'll just reinvest your dividend payment directly back into the company and purchase however much amount of shares that you can based on the dividend that you earned. So I didn't do that just because I want to feel more in control, and I want to feel like, you know, maybe if it's turned on automatically, maybe it'll purchase the share at a higher price than if I purchase it myself. So as you guys can see, the market this is after hours, but there's like zero activity. I'm not sure if I'll be able to actually make a purchase right now, but I am going to submit the order. So I'm going to touch trade at the bottom of the screen. Then I'm going to touch buy. And at the top right, you see that it says dollars, okay? The reason why it says dollars is because I'm not interested in purchasing like a complete share. I'm just interested in spending the entire $21.08 to buy me, you know, as many shares as I possibly can. So it'll be like one share and some change, right? So it'll be like 1.5 shares or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter $21.08. And then I'm going to click on review. So right here, it's telling me that you're buying $21.08 of AGNC based on the current market of $15.52. You will receive approximately 1.358247 shares. So I'm going to swipe up to submit the order. I'm curious if the order is going to get filled because it is aftermarket, like I said, after hours. It says your order to buy is complete, and then it showed me the amount. So let me click on done and go back and look here. Well, the order is submitted. I don't think it went through yet. I don't think. Let me go back here. It says success. Your order. You've received such and such a share for $15.48 per share. That's not necessarily, I mean, as you guys can see, it's $15.52 at the moment. So anyway, the order was received. It's going to update. It already updated my shares actually. So now instead of being at 175 point whatever, I'm now at 177.01. My average cost is actually still the same. So I didn't buy enough where it's going to affect my average cost because it was just one share. So my average cost didn't jump you know, like it does if I was to buy, you know, let's say if I bought 200 shares, of course my average cost would go from $14.75 up because it'll be, you know, more than half the amount of shares that I already own. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys that process, share the video, like I said, in regards to the fact that I just got a dividend payment for this particular stock, and I just turned around and reinvested that amount into the stock. Now, you see my buying power on the screen is actually now $0.00. So that is it. But the cool part is I'm going to get another dividend payment next month. And of course, I'm going to take that money and buy more shares. So anyway, I just wanted to share this video with you guys. And it is incredible. Dividend payments are the way to go as far as I'm concerned when it comes to the stock market. A lot of people don't know what to do to be successful. And, you know, the purpose of this channel is to share my experience with you guys, show you guys how you can start investing into the stock market without losing a bunch of money, especially if you're in it for the long haul, especially if you're trying to make slow money as opposed to no money or fast money that sometimes can be no money. All right, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share the video with somebody that may find it helpful. Share the video and the channel with somebody that may find it helpful. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.